In the enchanted land of Numeria, numbers weren't just symbols. They were magical creatures with unique powers. The numbers lived in harmony, each with a special role in keeping the land balanced and prosperous. But one day, the magical number 0 suddenly disappeared, and without 0, the magic in Numeria began to fade. The wise number 1, a brave and curious leader, knew that the only way to restore Numeria's magic was to bring 0 back. So, number 1 set off on a grand adventure to find 0, gathering friends along the way. The quick-thinking number 2, the creative number 3, and the strong number 4. Number friend brought their own special power. Number 2 could multiply things, number 3 could make things appear in groups of 3, and number 4 had the power to build strong structures. Together, they formed a team ready to face any challenge. Their journey took them through various lands, like the Forest of Addition, where they had to solve puzzles by adding different creatures together, and the Mountain of Subtraction, where they had to find the right path by subtracting obstacles from their way. As they travelled, they encountered number 5, who could turn things upside down, number 6, who could create patterns, and number 7, who could make things disappear and reappear. With each new friend, they learned a new skill, and finally, they reached the cave of 0, where they found 0 hiding, feeling unimportant because it didn't add or multiply like the others. But number 1 explained that 0 was crucial because it made numbers like 10, 20, and without 0, Numeria would never be complete. 0, understanding its true value, agreed to return with the group. As soon as they left the cave, Numeria's magic began to return, more powerful than ever. The sky lit up with sparkling numbers, and the land flourished with bright, colourful patterns.